In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how you can share other TikTok videos on your TikTok. So if you see a video that's interesting, entertaining, or educational, and you now want to share that video on your TikTok so that your followers can see it, then follow my steps and watch this video until the end to learn how it's done. The first thing that we have to do is to open the App Store if you are on your iOS device, or the Google Play Store if you are an Android user, and then search for TikTok and see if you have the latest version of the app installed. If you have an update button right here, then click on that button and wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of the TikTok app is installed on your device. We can then open the app and now find a video on TikTok which you want to share on your profile. I'll reshare this specific video, so all I have to do is to click on this little arrow button at the right side of the screen until the sharing menu appears. Once you open this, you want to find a button that's called Repost. So just click on that button and you'll get a little text notification that you reposted this video. So this video will now be shared with your followers on TikTok, and they can see that you had reposted or reshared that video on your TikTok account. If you want to see all of your reposted videos, then go over to your TikTok profile and click on this icon here that has the two arrows. This will open a section on your profile where you can see all of the different videos which you had reposted on TikTok. And that's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.